Hey guys, what's up? I understand there's been a lot of requests lately about how to build an arch. I'm going to show you how to do an arch, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So first of all, if you have the luxury of getting architectural drawings like I have here for this particular house, you want to try to match it up as best as you can size wise so that you can create that arch. So you're going to grab the modeling tool and you're going to take the extrusion tool and we're going to zoom in, click this baby right there and start to draw. So you're going to create that arch exactly the way that it is on the architectural drawings. If you don't have that and you're just mimicking, then you can basically do the same thing, but this will be done nicely to scale, so that's kind of nice. Alright, so here we have what is the beginning of the arch. So we're going to go ahead and put a texture on it. Let's make it all white. So I'm gonna go to basically the white plastic or white paint, and I'm gonna give it a white paint like that. So now we have something that's starting to resemble the arch that's on the drawing itself. If you notice on here, you've got kind of a board and batten look, so we can go ahead and create that. And the way we're gonna do that is by copying and pasting. But before we do that, we're going to convert this to a custom model. Just go yes, and then you're going to rotate this 90 degrees. So now you have it so that it's the same as you would have it for the house itself. Okay, so now you copy and paste it. Take the one out and let's shrink it. And we're going to do the different texture on it. So I'm going to pick siding. We can go siding, and we can go board and batten. So let's grab a white board and batten, just like that. And then we can set this inside. And depending on how much detail you want to go into, I'm not going to go into any further detail, but this just kind of gives you everything that you need to know in order to put this in for your arches. So if you have a roof line that goes a little bit further, what you want to do is you just want to create a roof, and you can either put it over top and extend it to whatever length you want. So just take the house modeling tool and we'll go, say, the width of the archway itself, like that. And then we'll just go, I don't know, 8'2" is fine, I guess. So if you make that a square little house, kind of like that, and then you can, well, I don't need to really show you what you can do with the roof, because everybody knows what you can do with the roof. But you can, for all intents and purposes, just keep the roof itself, so bring it up to whatever the height of your little piece of art that you just created is, and also change the pitch on this so that it matches the archway, kind of like that, and then bring it over, I guess, something like that there. So this is for me anyways, the simplest way to create the arch. So what you want to do once you create this arch is you might want to save it as a model, and if you save it as a model, then you can use it for future use. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that for a second. So you're going to go to tools, you're going to go model creation wizard, you're going to click next, select, I don't know where you want to save it, but I'm going to just save it as a part, and I'm going to go arch, save it as a part, go finish, and now you have essentially a model of it. And then again, once you have that, you can do all kinds of different stuff with it. So if, for example, you had another arch somewhere and you had to have something similar but it's a little wider, you can always widen it or whatever you want. Okay, hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video.